Hi guys, welcome back to CAD Design 3D, another tutorial. Today I would like to explain a simple support base. So I'd like to explain sketch dimension with drawing. So let's jump into the main tutorial. Okay. Alright guys, so today's day I would like to explain the simple support base. There are simple support base drawing here, and this is line is first based on line single line, which is basically height is 45 millimeter, and then straight line which is angular, include angle between on line to this line 150, and outer and outer face, there are two face in between, dimension is 70 millimeter, and after that offset 10 millimeter, extrude boss base 70 millimeter. After that create mid plane, and after that create the line which is basically dimension, not dimension, it's angle between base top to line 15 degree, and it is extruded boss base 10 millimeter. After that create hole top of the face which is center to outer is dimension is 15 millimeter, and this face to center diameter 23.8 millimeter. Also include their 2D space or 3D space. Corner face is fillet 5 millimeter. Okay, so let's jump into the main tutorial. Click OK. It will take some time. Okay, now it will take some time. I like plain white workface area, that is good. First click front plane, center line, make sure construction line. Alright, make sure dimension is 70 millimeter, that is perfect. We now sketch line.
Take your position. As much as possible.
Okay, after that make sure angle and this line 115 millimeter. Okay, that is perfect. Again select line, make sure extend, again select trim, unwanted trace, now trim unwanted trace. Okay, now it's offset 10 millimeter. Okay, again select fillet 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter. Okay, Select line. Again select line. That's perfect. Now extruded wall space. 70 millimeter.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم.
So now create the main rip option, which is basically dimension is 10 millimeter. So now create mid plane. Select this plane. Now sketch plane. Convert into this. Convert this. Okay. Again select line. Well, make sure angle 15 millimeter. Okay. Five millimeter fillet. Now make sure extrude boss base. Mid plane 10 millimeter. That is perfect. Now I can select top face. There are two holes. First create this one. After that mirror. And this is dimension 15 millimeter. Home. Again select smart dimension 23.5808. No problem. Again select dimension, make sure 43. Now it is. Make a plane. Plane show now this mirror. Now mirror about plane. Okay. Now it is extruded always. Okay, select plane, fillet, let point 4. Okay, select the face. Okay, make sure expert, feature expert. Make sure appearance, highlight red on. This is perfect. I hope guys understand my video and all the modeling. So thank you. If you want more video and more project, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.